BoxRippers.com here, going to open a box for Tanbob90. So let's get at it and open her up, see what we get. We're opening UFC Round 2. 16 packs per box, 2 autographs, 2 memorabilia. So good luck to Tanbob90.
Good start. Drop it before.
I should get an insert in every pack, roughly. And they CISO. Looks like some nice stuff. High end for sure. Beautiful, look at that. That's an insert there. Octagon Honor.
Octagon Honor.
Octagon Honor card there of Pat Miletich and an autograph. Oh my God, Rich Franklin autograph. That is a beautiful autograph right there, Rich Franklin. Is that numbered, I wonder? No, it's not numbered, but that is an autograph of Rich Franklin. Beautiful.
Nice.
Nice one. Rich Franklin. Another Octagon Honor insert there.
Just a
little checklist.
Checklist, yeah.
Chuck Liddell.
Nice cards.
Beautiful, eh? Oh, that's another insert there. Insert right there, Harda versus Gita. Not bad. Not bad at all. Another insert there of Ken Shamrock, Octagon of Honor.
And another autograph.
Another autograph of Rich Franklin. This is a red version. Numbered 11 of 25. Rich Franklin, 11 of 25. So that's 2 Rich Franklin autographs in the same box, guys. A blue version and a red version. This one's numbered at a 25. I'd say that is some mojo right there. Wow. Holy monkey, yes sir. Only from BoxRippers.com, guys. Check out our forums and our free card giveaways.
Nice cards. Wow. There's one right here.
And we have there Bloodlines card of Royce Gracie. Now he is a legend in the UFC, all the way back to UFC 1, 2, and 3. Beauty. Can't get over that. He even added Ace with his autograph there. He didn't add it here, but he added Ace.
Beautiful
that could be a rare one. Beautiful. And another Bloodlines card there. Yes, of Marcus Davis. Bloodlines. And they're not numbered, but they are insert cards. Yeah, that looks to be an insert. Anderson Silva. Yeah, TKO.
That's an insert.
That's an insert card, yeah. Nice foil finish on there. Anderson Silva. Beautiful. Still can't get over that.
What's the odds?
Yeah, what are the odds of 2 Rich Franklins in the same box, as one being a parallel to 25?
Another checklist.
Another checklist, yeah. Nice when they put checklists in products.
Upside down, but there's another one.
There's another insert there. Ultimate Fighting Championship. Sanchez versus Stevenson. Nice card.
This game's beautiful cards.
So we're still looking for 2 memorabilia as well. Nice. And we have our insert there.
Oh,
Kenny Florian,
we
undisputed.
have a patch.
Are you serious? UFC Authentic Fight Mac relic of Sean Shirk. Authentic Fight Mac relic. So it's a piece of the mat. Not bad. And there's a little thing there. It's hard to see there. That white part. This could be something extra that was on the mat. But that's a beautiful Authentic Fight Mac relic. Sean Shirk. Not bad. And we have an insert here, Bloodlines of Anthony Hardink. Whoa. Right there, insert.
Why is this card thicker than the rest?
Let me see. We have another one here, John Howard versus Chris Wilson. And it's an insert. It's a lot thicker than the other one, so I'm not sure about that one. It's not numbered, but it's definitely an insert.
It's thicker.
Not bad. You still got a lot of packs left too, so. TKO insert there, Matt Serra. Not bad.
Why is it so thick?
And another thick one here. I think these might be parallels. Tyson Griffin here. Yeah, I'm starting to think that there are parallels. Yeah, parallel versions, a little thicker. I bet you if you look at the rest of the base cards, you'd see thick ones in there that you just might have bypassed. I think you get one in every pack, actually.
Might have bypassed, yeah.
They do that probably to fool people so they don't get the memorabilia.
Yeah.
That's like a tap out insert there.
Oh, and another autograph.
Nathan Diaz. Tap out. You got another auto?
Another auto.
Richie Whitson. Team Henderson. That's the Ultimate Fighter series, the TV series?
Yeah, that's what it is.
Richie Whitson.
It's
beautiful. So you got 3 autographs. So you still wait for another memorabilia. So if you can get something extra out of the box, that's great.
5 packs left.
Yep. Oh yes, Rich Franklin, ace, number to 25. Another Rich Franklin. Sean Shirk, Authentic Fight Mat, relic.
We got another checklist.
Richie Whitson autograph, Ultimate Fighter.
Oh, Brock.
You got Brock. And there's your insert, UFC Fight Night. Nate Diaz versus John Neer. And again, those are not numbered, but a very nice foil finish on there. BoxRippers.com, box breaks. You can't beat the prices of our boxes. And we have an insert here of Wanderlei Silva, undisputed, not numbered.
And we also have an authentic.
Another one? Yes, Nate Marquardt, Authentic Fight Mat relic, and that's a 2-color relic right there. And it's numbered 52 of 199. Not bad at all. Awesome. So you got more than what you were supposed to get in the box.
More than what we bargained.
And another Bloodlines card here of Akihiro Gono from Japan.
Second last pack.
Second last pack. And a KO insert there of Matt Hamill. And again, that is not numbered. But Matt Hamill insert there.
Now last pack.
Last pack. Do you think that the Tops can put in one more?
Sure they could.
Well, let's see. Well, we got one more than usual, so.
Sure they could.
And an insert there. Ultimate Fighter Season Finale 2. Insert.
That's it, folks.
And that's it, guys, but look at the hits.